Hey guys, welcome back. This is Little Fever, and today we are here for another layout update video. This one's going to be a little bit shorter than most of the other layout update videos because there's only 3 major things that really go on in this video. The first thing is the removal of all the Christmas decorations from the layout, whether that be the little snow drifts or some of the snowman features, although there is a little snowed over tree that has been added to the layout, but that's just there for now. I don't know how long that will stay on the layout, but everything else that is winter like that has been removed. The next few changes take place on the inner line, and so the first thing I did was replace some of the steel track with some more nickel silver track, so that has the gray road bed, so that's easier to denote between the two of them. And then the next thing I did is I added an Atlas turntable, and so this kit came pre-built aside from just screwing on the handle and plugging it in electronically, and it works pretty simple, and it auto corrects to each slot or every 15 degrees, so when you twist it around, right now it is just a manual one, but I am planning on getting the little power box to make it fully electrical so I don't have to stick my hands over the layout just to turn an engine around or do something like that. Right now that's not kind of set in stone where it might finally be, so that might change in the future, but that is mostly all of the stuff that is changed to the railway tracks itself. Actually, before I finish up this section, I would also like to add the fact that this turntable is only 9 inches long, so I can't fit every engine on it, and in the video here it shows probably the largest engine that I can fully turn around on this turntable, so that is one of its small little drawbacks. The last major addition to the layout is the addition of a third signal tower. I put this together in a little video here. You can see it up in the iCard right now, and so this is an Atlas HO signal tower kit. And so it is identical to one I already have on the layout itself, but I kind of put it on the other end of the little yard area that I have, just so it doesn't look the same as the other one down there, so when you guys come and see through the videos, you don't see just two of the same building like right next to each other. And so that is a pretty fun kit to put together. I had a lot of fun doing that, and I think that just about sums up this layout update video. I'd like to thank you guys so much for watching, even if it was just a little bit of one of the shorter layout update videos. And I'd like to thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye!